halimbawa, you decide that you want to quit tomorrow. Kaya mo na bang mabuhay ng komportable for the rest of your life?
No. Hindi po.
Hindi pa?
Hindi po.
Okay.
There's this wise man who once told me that never kill the goose that lays the golden egg.
Tama.
And right now po, that's my career.
Okay.
So a huge chunk of my income comes still from my job po as an actor, as an artist. So, and mahal ko po ang trabaho ko.
Okay.
Hindi pa po nawawala yung passion ko sa kanya, with all the things that's coming my way now. Of course, before Tito Boy, merong times talaga na umaayaw na po ako eh.
What do you know about love for sure?
I think we are all looking for it. Love is iba-ibang klaseng love, Tito Boy eh. Iba-ibang sensation siya. Pwede siyang physical, pwede siyang emotional, pwede siyang mental or kung ano man.
Lahat yan pinagdadaanan mo o pinagdaanan mo yung mga sensations na yan ng pag-ibig.
Yes po. Halo-halo po.
Talk about it.
Sometimes po kasi sa love, parang, of course, sometimes love makes us do irrational things. Or parang, when you're in love, di ba, minsan parang sky's the limit. And then,
ilang beses mo na yan naranasan? That love sky was the limit.
2 or 3.
2 or 3 times. Okay.
Kasi,
umiyak ka dahil sa pag-ibig.
Opo. Opo naman.
Alright.
Yun po eh, umiiral pa rin po kasi most of the time yung attitude ko na nag-giveaway.
Richard, bakit napaka-privado mo pagdating sa pag-ibig?
Parang yun na lang yung pwede kong i-protect dito ba? Question, all the hardships, all the struggles in life, we question why. Lord, bakit ako? Bakit mabait naman akong tao? Bakit nangyayari sa akin to? And then, just trust the process. Kasi at the end of that, at the end of those dark times, marirealize mo na, ay, kaya pala nangyari sa buhay ko yun. Kasi ito yung rason. And ito yung mangyayari sa akin. And in every hardships that we go through, always trust that that's made for you to become stronger. Para palakasin ka of the storms that's ahead. Meron kang vision and meron kang plano pero hindi yun yung nangyayari. Doon mo gustong pumunta, doon mo gusto ang ending pero hindi yun yung nangyayari. Because, sa buhay naman natin, and in every day that we live and in every day that we breathe, and in everything that we are experiencing in life right now, may it be good or bad, one way or another, we deserve it. And why deserve? Because we have to look at the bright side of things all the time. May tinuturo sa atin si Lord sa journey na to. Na minsan, di ba, parang we question all the hardships, all the struggles in life. We question why. Lord, bakit ako?
You're taking advantage of your closeness to my daughter?
Hindi po ganun. Sinubukan ko naman pong pigilan yung nararamdaman ko para kay Lea. Lumayo naman po ako sa kanya eh. Pero hindi ko po kaya. Mahal ko po siya. At handa po ako ipaglaban yung nararamdaman ko para sa kanya.
No. I won't allow it.
Pero ma'am, totoo po yung nararamdaman ko para sa anak niyo.
I believe you. But I still won't allow it. And not because I don't like you. You know, nabilib ako sa'yo. And I believe you can even be more than what you are right now. Marami ka pa rin naman pangarap para sa sarili mo, hindi ba? Mataas din ang pangarap ko para sa anak ko. I want Leah to have the best life.
Ma'am, hindi naman po yung plano ko eh. Magsisikap po ako, alam niyo po yan. I will be a better man for...
Please don't have to wait. I won't allow it until such time that you are deserving of my daughter. Hanggat maabot niya pareho ang mga pangarap ninyo. But for now, please, itigil niyo na muna to.